easy on the wheels. DJ Daytrader, check the feels. Market open, volume rising. Beat drops when the sun's arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask. Making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we roll. Analyze, plan, execute the soul. DJ Booth meets trading flow on easy, gives you so much more. Mix it up, blend it right. Futures market through the night. Your way, it's what we do. Making profit, dropping truth.
Check. Good morning, y'all. Morning, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, checking in. On this Monday, it is September 29th, 2025. Appreciate you tuning in. Welcome out, welcome out. Get into some charts in just a little bit. We're just waking up. It's a Monday, so shaking off the weekend and see what happens here today. Let's see what's going on. Let's get some music bed working here. Can we get that up? Where's the music bed? A little bit of lo-fi music and Alright. There's 100 in here. Take 80. We get $100 on this pop-up. 90 M bounce here. We'll just trail it. Took like about $80 and $90, something like that. Just writing it off. We're using our fibs off the SMM tool, so we are very, very sky high on this. Let's move this to like a this is 5 minute. Yeah, let's mark this off similar. To these levels, appropriate levels here, so we match on up. All right, there we go. 15-minute time. That kind of moved it, right? All right. All right. Let's see what's going on here. I think they should have started already, right? Let's go. Appreciate you tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat. Figure this thing out in just a few. Check, check. All right. All right, we're just looking through some charts. We're way above all our areas here. Mm. Oh, yeah. Check to high. Watching this area here. Want to hold this area. If we break it, then we go down. But hopefully we hold it. Up here. We take a little bit of money there. Wait and see what happens. Kind of trailing the stop now. So we get that bounce back up off this area, but no divergence. So that's the thing. No sell divergence up here. So we're gonna see if we can get back up at least to this high, maybe at 99 or something. Give it room to breathe here. Let's see if what happens here. Let's go. If we pop back up, we're gonna hold this trade here. No, don't stop me out. Give it to like the break even. Might stop me out. Yeah, I got stopped out. No, we're kind of. About 13 minutes to the open. We're gonna watch. Push out higher, higher, higher. Divergences. Boom, 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 boom. Under this divergence now. Let's see if we break this 83, 24,883. If we do. Waiting for liquidity down here. My bad. Yawning. Goes way down there. Kind of forming this cup right here. It bounced off 3 times here, so 83. Average is 91. 10 points, $200. Risk here. About gotta break out of this watching this area here. Alright, I'm just gonna wait and see if we get a pop back up. We might not. We might get stopped out. We might be down. But then if we do, we'll go short under 83 and then see if we ride it down to this wick right here at down at 63. So 20 points to the downside. We'll see if we break that. Let's see. We got about 10 minutes to a injection of liquidity. So there we go. Gonna break that 83 now. Kind of holding, so pop here. I don't know if we should have done that. We're taking a risk because we got a free reset. So if not, we will short that side. Let's go. Let's see if we get a pop up here. 4 times we touched the bottom and we didn't break. So I'm thinking we might want to hold that area. I want to get out of this trade before the 25. 9 minutes, so we're going to get out before that big pop. Although we might pop up. We might take a risk. It's just a slippage that might get you, you know what I mean? Come on. Now we're going to stay under this 21. That's not a good sign. Oh, there we go. A little bit of leverage. Pop up. Too many times we popped up over my thing and then kind of just get screwed here. At least our average got a little bit better now. Yeah, risking about $100 here, so we'll let that trade go. Go back up here. It's waiting, watching. Levels are a little off today. Gotta give them a little leeway. Might be with the volatility, but we'll see. Gonna wait and just let that roll out. It's sideways. About 6 minutes till we get that injection of liquidity at 6:25, 9:25 Eastern. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Jeez, let's go. I don't know, kind of this double top at near the 25 kind of makes me think that it's gonna. But it could just run, you know? I don't know. Time highs. Sky's the limit, so. There's our freaking confluence. I mean our divergence, so it might drop here. Yeah, like waxing it here. Might come down now. I got a feeling. Divergence here as well. Sorry if you heard that. Another divergence here. I don't know what type though. On the 15 here, kind of. Watching errors here. 3 minutes till this thing either drops or pop here. Sell divergence here though. Some of these divergences, you know, plays out. Little short-term pullback, but looking heavy. Yeah, look like we might get stopped out here. Okay, I got stopped out. Might go short here. The sell divergence. There's some buy side dude. 4 or 5. 4 indication? Here comes the injection of liquidity in a minute. So you got kind of like a head and shoulder pattern, then you got buy divergence here, so conflicting under the freaking 21 moving averages and the 9. So you got bearish, you got bullish. That's why when you got too much indicators, kind of throws you off. So we're just waiting to see what happens. It might drop here, I got a feeling. Looking kind of heavy. We did break 63 once, so might put a sell here. Put a sell there. Just put our fucking stop right here real quick. Waited. No real. Might get stopped out here. Risking another $100 we may get. drop. That short there. Ah. We should have just held that a little bit longer. I'm gonna see what happens here at the open. We'll just kind of wait and kind of wait and see what happens. Wait and see what happens. Head and shoulder pattern kind of played out. Probably gonna head towards this 63, I bet. Let's try and see. Let's see if we just. There's a sweep of liquidity here. Trailing it right behind this sucker. There we go. Sweep of the liquidity there. Boom, boom, boom. Going all the way down to the yellow. Going down to the breaker line. And we trailed it. And it's about 300 bucks right there. Wow. What a trade. What a trade right under this level. Almost to the breaker. So took 300 on that. Here you go. Back to the yellow. Just that. Tap that. Dang, we're going down. All right, 30 seconds to this open. Let's make some money. Let's go. Wake on up. Give a big. And all right, we got about let's see. I don't know why I was recording. Weird. How was I recording? Right. Open market. Let's see if we get some. Gonna hold this breaker here. This bullish breaker. Look like it. But where else can we sweep? We got a lot of liquidity sweep here. Asia lows all the way back down here. So let's see if we retrace back up to this 83. 83, 53, so 15, maybe to like 78, 88. We might bring that to like a 5. Look for this lows here, maybe. Wait. And look for some liquidity down here. Let's see. Gonna wait and see what happens. Let's see. Put our stop right above here. 85s here. Let's see what happens here. We're gonna reach above. We break over back over the breaker. I'm winning long. We'll see what happens here. Watching. Break back above this 85. Let's see. Might have just ran that breaker and that's enough, and it's just gonna pull up here. And we're just gonna take another shot at it here. Yeah, frick. Shoot. Oh, you bitch. Alright, we got taken out. I don't know this thing. Why is it coming back up? I'm gonna wait and see. Little re-sweep there, maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna just take the 88 here. Take a risk at it again. I feel like we want to go higher. Maybe want to sweep here, maybe. Dang, I don't know now. Want to stay under here? Take a risk here. I might get fudged here. But oh well. We got a free reset, so gotta move on it sometime. Dang it. Yeah, I might get fucked here. Three breaks though. Not gonna add anymore. 9 seconds. We're gonna watch. Come on. 2-1. Ay, come on. Come on, we did break that breaker block. Probably can use some more liquidity here. No, freaking take the profit here. took off half the risk there. This thing is just being dumb now. See might pop up now. Yeah, this thing might stop me out. This thing is just like. Yeah, this freaker coming up now. I'm just gonna sweep back up or what? Ah, could we just sweep the top? Fish! Oh, we did. Hmm. Ah, let's see. Dang, super chop. Alright, let's see, let's see. Keep getting why is it so choppy? Ugh. I don't know. I'm gonna wait now. Here we go. Alright, we're just waiting now. Hmm. I don't know if I trust this thing. one. Go here. All right. Just waiting and see right here. And just see if we're gonna break down or original drop here. Yeah, I don't know. If, Budge. Mm, let's see what happens here. Just gonna rip or what? Dang. We went all the way up to the line, made another 280 on the top side. So this double top at the 125 might be a reversal here. So we'll wait. We still got the 15-minute orb to create, and still early in on this trade. So notice how when we get this divergence here, and then we come back to test it, then we come down. We got buy side divergence here, boom, and then once we come back above this divergence candle, we kind of pull back up. So it's something to watch for me at least. Now we're just kind of waiting. And I think just gonna run on. Watching this area. Oh, we're just gonna blow right above it. Dang. Gonna wait and see now. I don't wanna chase it. Dang. Mm. Watching. Too quiet. Oh, look at this thing. Some cell divergence, but still going up. All-time highs incoming, according to Ash. Hmm. Sorry. Dang, there it went up. Mm. Let's see. Little side divergence here. Quick scalper. Scalperoni there. Kind of slow. Like I like Quantar, the smoothness of being able to drag and reaction. Trading view is always so slow. Jeez. I'm gonna watch if we break over this 946. Next level is 977. So this thing could fly. I don't know. Got so many levels above it. Kind of held the bullish breaker. Only one divergence now. Ugh, weird how it changes, huh? That's one thing I didn't know about that. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Hard to get in now. No pullback. So kind of inverted head and shoulders here. Sheesh. It's just going. Watch this areas here. I don't know. It's a Monday. So unvolatile this first opening. Yeah. No. Jeez. Whoa. Nothing, huh? Check, 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 check. Yeah. I don't know why it's not working. Work, work, work. Picture correction. Check, check. Yo, yo, yo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check, 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 check. Check, check. Yo, no. I don't know why it's not working. I don't like it. Check, check. Check, 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 check. Check, check, check. Check, check, check. I don't know. Why is it acting so weird? Like it doesn't want to work. Oh, I haven't had it hooked up yet. Dang. I'm still bypassing it. I never reconnected it. Jeez. No wonder. Mm-hmm. Check, check. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Give me a little down. Come on. Don't do that now. Shh. Be dumb, big up all the time. $10. Shush your mouth here. Gosh darn it. Wow. This thing don't want to move before me. Come on, just make that move before the thing happens. Might get messed. I might get jacked here. Trying to short this thing again. 20 seconds. Should I just get out? Moose. Took me out. Freaking news. Dumb news. Dumb news. Dumb news. Took me out. Just keep popping here. Be hungry. Boy. No news Monday. Choosing. $500 on down now. Up 500 on that pop up. Actually touched that thing right there. All right, let's go. Hmm. Just watching market right now. Sorry, watching something on uh YouTube as well. So waiting. Got a sell divergence there, coming in with a lower high. So we'll see what happens. What pans out from there. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. For some coffee. You said, baby. I forgot to turn off myself. Ah, you. Dang it. Fucking asshole. Don't even do that to me. How am I down? I'm 800 in the trade now? Yeah. how does this like even like? Ah, I'm gonna get blown here right off the bat. All right, still watching. Hmm. I think this is gonna go short here. Yeah. All right. Hmm. I don't like this. I don't like this pull up here. Ours goes like right to where I want to be and then come right back up. We took some off there. See if we break this 46 level for the downside. I don't know.
Yeah, can
Ding. Yo, what up? Well, ay, ay, ay. No, no, no. It's just me and a couple of boys from Hawaii just trading that. Just been trading mainly the props still, making money off of that. So low risk, you know what I mean? It's more like a business type thing, you know what I mean? You risk a little bit, you buy the accounts, you get them to live account or payout accounts, and then you just kind of, as long as if you blow the accounts, fuck it, you know what I mean? As long as you're making more on your payouts than you are buying the accounts, then it's profitable business, you know? Yeah, yeah, yeah. So like I do the payouts, buy a couple accounts, you know what I mean? And then it's still profit, you know what I mean? If I pull out like, you know what I mean, $1,000 and I buy like $300 worth of accounts and I pull out another 500-600, you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's more of a system, but like as I was saying, with all the PDT kind of going away, I don't know. There's big news on it. First, like I know they said like my other friend, I didn't even know. He said he trades like I think even the stocks are like T1 or something. I think so. I think he's been trading it for a while. Like he's been trading small caps was T1, but I don't know what the requirement. I think they're going to bring the requirement down from 25K to like 2K. Yeah, but then I go, but when does like cuz what are props, you know what I mean? CFDs, right? No, but props are what? CFDs. So when do they allow CFDs back in there? Because they probably know like 25K, like not a lot of people are going into the market. So with them, they want to suck people in and take their money, right? Suck new people in. I don't know. Because then, yeah, I don't know. But then, like I said, what are CFDs too? Fucking options, right? Options are CFDs with fucking stipulations. So CFDs might not come back for stocks. Yeah, because it's not because they put in all the Greeks and everything to fuck you even more. So it's not straight up. It's not straight up CFD because that's easy. You know what I mean? To do CFDs, that's simple because it's just stock price. But when you put in options, then you got deltas, all these fucking Greeks, fucking volatility comes in, and then so CFDs, yeah, yeah. But I'm saying the that's kind of where the low big risk, low risk, high reward, fucking dollar and a dream kind of comes in, right? Because you can buy all
Good,
these
yourself?
cheap, you can buy it for like $50 and make like 1,000x. You know what I
Okay.
mean?
Yo, um, they added Spotify support to Serato. I love it. I love it.
Oh yeah, they're gonna be where you can just freaking pretty soon it's gonna be
Dude,
just like you go to any computer and just log into your server and have all your music right there. You won't even
well,
need like a hard
that's the good
drive.
thing.
Yeah,
That's what I've been doing with SoundCloud. But
right.
like now that it's Spotify, oh my god, it's so much better.
Yeah, they're gonna like I said, you won't even need to carry like freaking any music.
No USB, nothing.
Yeah,
Nothing.
you just log into whatever
Nothing.
server's there, and they'll just all your shit will just be there.
It's there. Yep. It's nice, man. It's really nice.
Yeah. Mm. Aye. So what you been doing? Just mainly still a lot of options. Oh dang! What kind? Oh yeah, the new Y. Okay, yeah, I like those. The new Ys.
Yeah.
Has
Yeah.
like those.
Yeah.
Instead of the headlights, it has that little beam like bar thing going across.
It's
But
got like the Cybertruck beam. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
that little thin kind of almost look like a fucking pinstripe, but
It's
it's the
awesome,
light.
man.
Yeah,
Love it.
yeah. I seen
Yep.
those. They're
Yep.
like
Yep.
fuck. It's a little bit more sleek. I was like, damn it, but can't.
They know the suspension is really a lot better.
Yeah. Yeah, the only like I said, the only reason
It's
why I
got
like
me like wanting to. Go ahead.
no, I said the only reason I got it because I had that fucking .99 interest,
Yeah. Well, I got 1.99
Oh
on
shit, they're
that
doing
one.
it again? Dang.
Well, it was back in August.
Yeah. I was like, oh, that's good then. Frick yeah, because that's like nothing. You know what I mean? Because everyone else I know buying like a car for like 50, 60K or 40, 50, 60K with like a 4.5, 6
Yeah.
APR paying like $1,000 a month. You know what I mean? I'm like, fuck. For a car?
Well, my APR on the other car is like 6%
And what are you paying
on my
monthly on that?
23. But I put a lot down, so I
Oh,
think I'm paying like 400
oh shit,
a
that's not
month.
bad. Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
and
I
I'm
see.
paying 450 or something for the new one.
Oh, see, that's good. Yeah, we're paying
Yeah,
like,
but I had to put down big down payments for that.
yeah, see, like we're paying like 6, but we don't trade in on our old car. It was only like 4K they gave us for it.
Right,
So there was only
right,
like a 4K trade, and then only paying 6 a month. So not bad.
right. No, that's not bad.
Yeah. Fuck, I was looking at the new VW vans.
Ooh, I like those.
I
Yeah.
know. I was like, fuck, but they're not giving no 1.9 interest.
No, no. They they are really pushing the EVs though. So like because I think today or tomorrow is the last day to order one to
Hmm.
get the 7500.
Yeah.
That goes
Sheesh.
away like tomorrow. It goes
Oh.
away on October 1st.
Oh, that sucks. If they're pushing EVs, they shouldn't freaking take that away then, because a lot of people are not going to buy it
Well,
without that.
it's Trump. Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
But I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Ay. Jeez.
All right, let's look at this market. Oh, PayPal rejected 71. Could have fucking shorted that. Damn.
Mm-hmm. Looking at.
Nah, but it's gonna hold. PayPal looks good here. Fucking PayPal, how are you looking good?
Oi. Oi. Hold on. Let me look at this PayPal. Whoa, that fucking thing went up, man. What's the deal with that? What's the deal with PayPal?
Which one?
How come it shot up so
I don't know.
much?
It's a piece of shit. I don't know why it jumped up today, but it's been a piece of shit.
Look at this money making thing.
I mean, compare that thing to the market. The market's,
Yeah.
you know.
Here's my smart money map on it. Let me look at this thing. I've been trying to use this technique on I use with futures with stocks in case I try to get back into the game, but I don't know. Just fucking around with it. In case all that PDT and everything goes away, I'm like, oh, okay, let me just see what's going on with these things.
It is more attractive to invest with that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I've been trying to just get these accounts going and then trying to put it back into the market. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But
You still have that Cobra account?
oh no, I got rid of that. I still got I got like a I still got my TD or whatever Schwab, what the hell they call it, and the Fidelity. So yeah, but yeah, we'll see what happens with all that stuff. Oh yeah. Let me look at this. PayPal, huh?
Come on, Amazon, move. TLT having a day though.
Yeah, look at this move. Where was this from? It didn't move up today. What is today? Dang, it moved from here. 67? No. That's it? Yeah, that's it, huh? Wow, what's right from this freaking breaker block I have at. Wow, that shit freaking lined up right freaking there. Right at the
What are you looking
open.
at?
No, this is the open? PayPal.
Mm.
I got all this, show you.
What, you got a fib?
Huh?
You got a fib?
Yeah, there's this thing called, check it out on, freaking, Trading View.
Mm-hmm.
Called Smart. You ever use the Smart Money Map? No.
No.
Let me show you.
Show me. Post a picture.
Okay. Where am I going to put it in the regular chat?
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, because it's kind of like a Smart Money Map, and it works like for different things. But I'll show you without the fibs first. Let me hide these fibs. So what they do is I use the map, and then I use my fibs with the map, and then the fibs line up perfectly. So I don't know whatever not algo, but whatever the guy's been using, I guess.
Uh-huh. It works.
Yeah, his stuff works, and then whatever I do with mine, like it kind of lines up with it. So
Mm-hmm.
so I've been using that, and then like I've been, cause me, I have a hard time holding still. So surprise, but so what I do is I basically use the fibs to kind of break down his thing. So
Yep.
I use that to break
It
down.
gives you confirmation.
Yeah. And then
basically, right?
I kind of take it out at levels, and then I can re-enter. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Because I've just been scalping like through these things. I'm not like options where. Well, I mean, I could hold it, but then if you look at what I posted there, it's kind of like a smart money map, and what they
Let's
call
see.
like it opened right here today. This and then like I should have showed where it comes from, but I mean, see this gray bar at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's
The line.
yeah, that was there. This is like a monthly one, so this gray one is like a bullish breaker. And then you see how it just started there and just went up, and then it comes up to this bullish breaker block, this blue.
Uh-huh.
You see how it tests it, comes up, breaks down, but then once it reclaims it goes to the top of the breaker block, holds it, then it
shoots
goes
through.
to then it goes to this bearish breaker block here, the yellow.
Uh-huh.
And then we
And
climb up,
ultimately
rejects the top of the breaker block, and now how we reject the bottom of the breaker block.
Can you put Tesla on this?
Yeah.
Please?
So there's like a daily and then a monthly. So I just kind of see what the daily looks like first, and then the monthly, and then kind of go from there. You know what I mean? Like if it fits the monthly.
So he does big frames.
Yeah, you can switch the time frames or like the annual, monthly. So it's kind of if it's
Does
just
it
like
work
way
on all
past.
frames?
It will switch like 1, 5, 15 is usually the same setup. You know what I mean? Then you can go to
Right.
like a monthly, but sometimes some things are just so far freaking up. You know what I mean? Then that's when I start using the fib because like see like already Tesla's above this freaking. Let me look at. I'm just telling you right now, it's above the freaking quarterly already. It's breaker here, right? Here's a annual one, but when you start using annual ones, like the freaking, you know what I mean? It's so big, huh?
Yearly.
Yeah, yearly. So this is the breaker block here. Dang, where does this go? How do I make this go longer? Oh, there. You can't see any longer. No, I gotta switch my time frame. That's why. Let me go. 1 hour on this one there. Just a 1 hour chart. What is today? There you go. And we rejected that breaker here at 4. Oh, well, of course it's 450, but let me put up this one for you just to look at. Let me see if I can put those other breaker blocks in so you can see the blocks there. Let me fib this on. This is a bigger time frame here. New. That. You can see some of these stuff. That's why after I traded this, I'm like, oh, maybe I can trade options longer term on this, Just kind of dabble in it, real far away calls, and just kind of.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, let me just save this and put that in there. Desktop. Save. Yes, cover that. Get rid of this. Let me add this in the chat. It's the Tesla one here. There's a bottom breaker block here, rejected at 450. Well, it's natural resistance, but you can see the yellow.
Yeah. Yeah. So is that actually 450, the bottom of the box?
Not exactly. It's 450. No, 452.
Okay.
451.88. But it kind of went. But it rejected that area, and then. But then I can also break these down into quarters. You know what I mean? Levels, because it's so wide, huh? But you see how it held the breaker block, the bearish breaker line here down at 212.
Let's see.
The gray at the bottom, man.
Oh yeah. So that makes perfect sense to me, since I have a level down there. 227 is my level down there, so
Yeah.
that's close enough.
Yeah, and then you see how we kind of consolidate here, but then what I do is let me try and chop this up even more. So
I like that you got the very lows of the lows there, though. Yeah. That 212.
But then if we fib that out even more. Hold on. No, I'm grabbing the wrong side. Wait. Because I can fib either the top of the two breaker blocks, or I can fib from the breaker lines if I want to get a wider, if it breaks above the breaker blocks. So let me put this into the chat right here. And that's the breaker. So let me make this a little bit bigger. Put this one in the chat, because this is with the getting fibbed out here. Save this one. I don't know how this guy came up with this shit, but it works pretty good. I've been making money off of it, so I'm like, fuck it. Hopefully you don't take it away.
It looks like it has to do with fibs, I think.
Yeah, I just fib his stuff and it kind of comes out. So
Right.
So if we move,
that's cool. You probably take his bottom bearish line, and that's your beginning, right?
Yeah, and then I fib it out like this, then I can trade level to level. You know what I mean? On when I'm scalping. So
nice. He just passed his evaluation.
Who's that?
Aviel.
Wow. Cool. Yeah, so you kind of see these levels here. Even these levels are freaking wide, like 27 points. But I can even break this down into quarters, like.
But you're talking bigger time frames, so it's gonna be a bigger dollar amounts. Yeah.
But you see this levels here at 427.74. We kind of sat on it. You can see. What is this? The 26th. Then we broke down below here. I'm thinking of the 25th. Then we reclaim kind of just chop around it. Then finally here we kind of reclaim test on the 25th Friday at about noon, and then we just shot up, and then basically we continuation today up into this breaker block. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's from this Friday at noon or something.
Yeah.
We just shot up, and then we ended the day here high at like 440, and then we opened higher here at 442, and then we shot up almost to this breaker block, not at 451, but what it hit today, like 450, 450-ish.
450. That's why I asked, because I have a level up at 454.
Yeah, this one's was the level's like 451.80 or something, but it rejected there, and
Mm-hmm.
then so even if I fib this into like freaking quarters,
Damn. So, are you hitting the top here?
like
You are, right?
like with yeah, almost the top, but now like the 50% retrace. See when I fib between that 47, I mean the 427 area and the 450, the bottom of the breaker, and this last fib on the bigger time frame I showed you,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
then
Yeah.
my 50% winds up at 439.76, and if you look, that's kind of where we held.
Oh, it's a breakout point.
Yeah,
Yeah, dude.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Oh
then
shit.
yeah, so it kind of makes sense, you know what I mean? That's the 50%.
It does.
So
It
then I just
does.
look for, and like I've noticed, well, I've been just trading using it to trade futures, but I noticed when it hits those points, like on futures, a lot of times I just enter there and it reacts like fast. It just like bam, like volume kicks in
Yeah.
because it's
Yeah.
some
Yeah. Yeah.
kind
Yeah.
of it's either a point they're defending or something. So
You're not the only one watching that level, bro. Trust.
yeah, like but see, like I just fib it. I didn't look at this level where it closed. You know what I mean? I just kind of fib from the bottom of the breaker block to that last fib I put up, and then when I put it in right there, I just looked, oh, 50%. That's where exactly where the close was sitting. You know what I mean? So
Right. 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 Right.
I'm not looking for it to touch it. I mean, I'm looking for it to make it just winds up being there, and I'm like, okay, that makes sense then. You know what I mean?
Right.
Because I just break it, I just fib it, and then oh shit, that's exactly where the thing held. You know,
Uh-huh.
439,
Yep. Yep.
440.
Yep.
So I go, that would be a good place to enter. Just like right
For
here, this
longs.
yeah, and right here
Yeah.
is like the six. My other level above that, the six. I break it down into like quarters almost, like I mean eighths. So like this level
Right.
I have right above the 439.76 is right where it's testing now at, like this is 442. What is this?
Yo, do we
442.76.
want a long Tesla right now?
Well, we swept the bottom here into the gap, so like if anything, I was short. I could
Yeah.
short it right here under 443, and then quick stop out. If I was scalping, that's the thing. I got to get out of the smaller mentality. But
Yeah.
like I
Fuck
would,
that. Because what do you? I pull back to 440, but that's your breakout. So
yeah. See, so that's the only thing. We broke
yeah.
into the gap, so we swept all this liquidity bottom here to push back up. So we could long it here, but depending how one you want to hold it, you know, if you can hold it till the 440, but then I would rather long from there, but the thing you might miss it because this is like one kind of like I
Yeah.
noticed what it is like
You
four
might
four.
not get that pullback. It might have
Yeah,
happened already.
that's what I mean. So the thing is
Yeah.
that it might not come back because it's gonna prove like now if you went long, yeah, you could because it's proving it's strong because it's not even testing because this is where people want to enter right at 440.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
don't
Yeah.
want you to
Look,
enter. You know what I mean? They don't want you to get
they,
your fill.
I can't even afford this thing, man. 450s for Friday are $1,000.
Oh volatile. Look at the move. That's why I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
But yeah, this thing makes sense. So I like using it now. That's all I really use, and I just fib in between it. And kind of reacts to those areas now.
I wonder if Microsoft wants to hold this 50 day.
I mean, look at it. You see what the
SPY
map.
is fading? Yeah. I should have stayed in my puts.
Well, SPY was weak compared to Nasdaq this morning.
Was
No,
it? I didn't
yeah.
even notice.
I think that's yeah.
Well,
See
look
now,
at Nasdaq now. Qs are under 600, fully inverted.
yeah, they freaking I don't think Monday they want to take out a high. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. But then, damn, then give me some cheaper contracts.
Yeah.
XYZ. Square did not go like PayPal. PayPal's still holding.
Oh shoot.
God damn, PayPal can continue. No, it's hitting this wick. Oh, it's so ugly, PayPal. But there is the gap.
Hmm. Let's see, I should have shorted this under here. Oh, this might double liquidity here. Let's see if we stay under.
Yo, how does the gap not fill right now?
What is that on?
I mean, Q's, SPY,
Oh,
they need to gap fill here. SPY is close, but I bet you it does still. 662 is the target for SPY.
what is this week? There's some kind of big news, right? This week or something.
I don't know. I
Is
don't
it
know.
NFP? No, I don't know.
What is it?
Is it non-farms this week? Payroll? No.
I don't know. Economic calendar. Investing.
Hey.
There's always something going on.
Yeah.
There's always some numbers getting reported. I actually I took my 401k about 3 weeks ago
Uh huh.
and sold my blue chip fund and went into bonds.
Oh, okay, okay. Now you think like the
Let's
market's
see.
gonna pull back?
No, I don't know if it's going to pull back, but I like bonds
Just kind of
basically.
more,
More stable,
yeah, stable.
yeah.
Less volatility in it.
Well, I definitely think the market can fall.
Yeah.
So I wanted to lock gains. You know, I was up like 13% on the year.
Yeah. Can't be mad at that.
Right. So like I basically just went into something I felt was safer. And I think bonds are gonna come back here.
You think so?
Well, look at this. I've been noticing the 10-year yield is trying to break 4% to the downside, which is bullish for bonds. Um, US 10-year.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, we're looking much better. Oh my God, that's a hard candle down.
Let me look at what is that? QQQs, I guess. Oh, why did I switch that one? Dumb. Yeah, I've been trying to see if I can dabble back into the stocks a little bit, roll some of my profits back.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see. I want to build my other accounts as well. Dang, yeah, the Qs is. Yeah, where's this gap at? 599 around ish. Okay, gap that much up over the weekend? I didn't even look at it.
What are we talking about?
The Qs.
Uh-huh.
Look at this. Let me switch this map. I didn't think of just doing options, maybe the Q since I'm doing futures, you know what I mean?
Right. Oh, damn. IWM. Fade.
Yeah, this thing is. Ay, ay. All right, let me see. I mark this up from this. Ay, nope. That don't make sense. Ah, 1.5. Yeah. It's a Q's level here. $1.5, 600. Ah, these are small. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Gotta work on these evals to pass them now.
Hell yeah.
Up like. Feeling this thing gonna go back into the gap and. Where is the today's man's name? I think gapped up high. I guess head back down. Oh no. Close. Go back up here. Get in something here. We're just gonna drop here. If we can.
So I'm actually in Amazon long, and I'm looking at Amazon right now, and I kind of want to short it. Fuck.
Really? Let me take a look at
Yeah.
it real quick on this thing. Um, Amazon. Ooh.
Well, I took it last week. It was close to its 200
Yeah.
for a bounce, but
Yeah. Looks like it's
it's not
yeah.
bouncing well.
When is it today? Today went shut up. 219 to 221. Right here's I got like a bull breaker block at 220.61 ish around there. It held it.
220.60. Yeah. Oh, good.
So it looks like it's holding it. Kind of broke into it and this kind of basing here. Now trying to move back up on it, so 220. Well, this is only like a intraday, so 220 is the bottom of it. So not that much of a move, you know what I mean?
No, no.
Yeah.
And you're looking at it on a small time frame there.
Yeah, yeah. If I that's a smaller map. If I go like let me see, monthly maybe. Yeah, monthly. Jeez. Monthly. Wow, this thing came down. Then we're kind of
Uh huh.
bearish on the monthly, yeah. Yeah, if I look a low, jeez, dang.
We got Prime Day coming next week, though. I might give it a boost.
Yeah, see, this monthly opened what September 20. This map started August. Jeez, August. Yeah, August 25th. So this thing opened August 25th, and the bottom breaker was at 216.59 is what we just hit the other day.
Yeah. That's where I took it.
Yeah, this breaker was formed on the 25th of August.
Mm-hmm.
So this map was out from the 25th of August, and the bottom breaker line was at 216. So that just
Yeah.
shows me, like, dang, you know what I mean?
Is it at the bottom?
Yeah.
That's the question. Yeah.
So that's the bottom of the. And then so it opened here, like this thing opened at on the 25th. The price opened at 223. We kind of dipped below this breaker block under 222. And some reason, like, it closed here right at the top of this breaker at 225, and then frick, we gapped up on what is this, the September 4th on something? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know.
I can show you this map of it if you want to see was it Amazon?
Yeah.
Show you what this map looks like real quick. Hold on, it's wrong. Oh, where is it? Here it is. Hold on. New. Save. All right.
Oh, Nvidia, I could have shorted you, fucker.
Oh, dang, that fucking was a drop there.
Yeah.
You got under this bullish breaker on NQ at 852. Oh, that's into the gap already. That's why I probably.
Oh, wow.
I never look at the Qs,
Yep,
but I'm
in the gap.
assuming.
It's trying to hold it now. Wow.
Yeah,
Didn't I just say before that they should be gap filling?
yeah. That's why when I saw the drop, I see what a breaker was. I was just like, yeah, this thing is gonna head towards and try and fill it now. After it trapped
There
everybody
goes
long,
buy.
because it's gonna try and
Right.
bait everybody into think we're gonna hit higher all-time highs.
I
Then
bet you we go now because they're going to play everybody thinking the gap fill was coming.
yeah, could hold it and then come back up. Let me look at the Qs. Yeah. Let me see where all the liquidity is. We could come down into the gap and freaking take out all these people at like 597, 598.
Mm-hmm.
Could take out all those guys' liquidity there to go long. You know what I mean? Stop
Yeah.
all these longs out. Take all them out and then freaking go to all-time high after that.
Right.
Either that or, like you said, it could have just swept the bottom here and then go into the gap.
I think it's possible.
Yeah, either or. We'll see if it holds here.
If it does hold here, I have a problem with it getting back over that overshoot wick. 1, 2, 3 candles back.
About right about 600. Then that's gonna make sense as well.
It's 664 on SPY. Yeah.
Yeah. 664 all the way up there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
what I'm saying is we can possibly touch, I guess, 600 on Qs and 664 on SPY and roll back over. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, let me look at this money map for today on the auto, on the SPY. Oh, yeah. Today's breaker is right here. We're about 663.07 ish around there. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's where the top of the bullish breaker is today, and that's where they kind of wicked right off of it and pushing up now. So,
Hmm.
I mean, the gap was already from here, right, at 663. Yeah. 73. So, bouncing off that breaker. That's why, like I said, like I'll use these smart money maps, like for stocks or futures, like see how it reacts, right? Right at that 663. So if I go
Right.
long from there, you know what I mean? It's only like 30, 40 cents. But I mean,
Yeah.
on futures, it's like, you know, you can get like on the NQ, MQ,
That's
you can get like
money.
10, 15
Yeah.
points. Yeah. I
Yeah.
just don't know how to translate that into stocks. You know what I mean? Because I don't know how much scalping option I'd have to freaking probably go in the money so I get freaking high. What is the
Yeah.
per dollar thing called? Like how many
Delta.
the delta, yeah, and high delta contract, which would be expensive. You know what I mean? Because if I
Right.
buy out the money, this will be nothing. Like 30 cents will net me nothing. You know what I mean?
Damn, Qs are going lower. They want in the gap. Mm.
Yeah. Let me look at this 1 minute. Yeah, looks kind of.
Bouncy.
Looks like it might want to try to hold here. Pulled into the gap, but I mean, what am I looking at anyway? Oh, SPY. Mm, I let me map this out a little bit bigger. Why my U.S. stocks might look a little bit different? Why? U.S. stock market is free by default. Okay. Oh, why did it close? So dumb. Ain't that?
I'm buying a SPY call here.
Mm, I let me go from this gap to this gap here. One, where's our one here? One here. Pull back. Mm, let's just go from this gap to this gap.
I should have taken Qs instead.
This is my one here. Mm. Now watching the yeah, these both are just sitting on.
Yep, I'm in.
In. Yeah, I'm in on this long on the Nasdaq. On it to hold over this area on the. Let me look at the Qs as well. We'll see what happens. Look like it wants to go, but my entry 67 here. Ooh, this thing wrong. I want to add on this pullback, but we'll see if we pull back. I'm gonna hold that area. Mm, 67. Dang. It's getting a little bit here. Ay. This ain't a trap here.
SPY is right above resistance, while Q's is right under resistance.
As I said, I'm watching this. I'm gonna stop super close, but yeah, this thing might be. They stop right under this. Kind of bouncing off of it, but we'll see. I want to see the momentum come in, but
Yeah, we need some strength now.
and
we jumped in right at lunchtime.
I don't know. Yeah, this thing is just kind of loading up for a move. I don't know which way. We'll see.
Well, look at what Nvidia's doing. Now Nvidia's rejecting its lows from early. Go to sleep, wake up in an hour, wake up rich.
All-time highs.
So,
what is my 65? I don't know what happens here. Just want to see it just move up now. This thing not looking so good.
no, it's not. Looking like a bear flag.
Yeah.
Could be.
Yeah. Might want to continue down here. Let's see what happens.
I got my finger on the trigger. I'm ready to cut.
Yeah. It's like on NQ on yeah, kind of
Look,
broke
it
the
didn't surprise me because the gap still needs to be filled. So
yeah.
Oh, 10 seconds left in this candle? No, you need to pull up. Damn it. Not a good open for this candle.
I don't know. Okay. See, me wanna.
Dump.
Yeah. Yep, look at that drop.
All right, I'm out.
Yeah, I got out. Thing swept that bottom though. This freaking getting bought back up, but we'll see. We swept right back into that block and like pulled out of it, but I don't know.
Like, I don't like that it double bottomed it, though.
Yeah. I'm gonna see what happens here. Am I down on this one? It's just like a. Just gonna see.
I didn't exit yet either. I'm just down a couple dollars here.
Yeah, I'm just trying to see if it is just sweeping the bottom there, double, and then coming back up, or
Right.
I'm gonna see if it
Oh,
resists this breaker and keeps below it, then it might not wanna. Oh.
Oh, is that where you're at?
Yeah,
Breaker
on the
cloud?
this is on M&Q, so our breaker blocks at 853. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh my god! What am I doing here? I think I was in the wrong way.
Oh,
I'm not
shit.
used to
That's
trading
good.
view. That's why, frick.
But that's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah. Mhm.
That never goes in my favor.
Yeah,
I'm
usually
in
not mine
shorts.
either.
I'm in shorts right now.
Nice.
I'm shorting, trying to get out of this fucking long cloud here.
Yeah,
If
this
we get into
thing.
that long cloud, we might dump. So just be wary, because I'm trading NQ too. Mark, long time
Yeah,
no hear from you. Hope you're doing well, buddy.
yeah. Good. Yeah, I'm looking under
Oh,
this
like
breaker
for
block
sure.
852. My target underneath would be 21, but I want to stay under 853 right now. And under that, under that 790. Yep, there it goes.
There it goes under the long cloud. Let's go. Yeah.
Here for 821.
Waterfall.
821. I have to flip short there. Get a breaker. There's a liquidity under here. Shit, under like 812 maybe even.
It could
790.
get ugly here. I got let me see what's it right now.
Waiting for this area. Oy. Okay, we don't want that. We don't want to pull above 5 here.
Oh, I actually don't have a level below this. Oh shit. Thought I did.
Gonna go and 240.
I gotta map out more fibs. I don't have fibs. My lowest fib was 24, 862, 75 on NQ. I had to map out some lower levels here.
Here's a small retrace. I don't want it over 53. Oh man, I don't like the way this is. All right, I'm just gonna set a stop here.
Just gonna try and bounce here.
Yeah.
You're good to go. Yeah, it's already out there. Oh. Thank you. Nothing better than hearing that on a Monday.
The rejection off right under 50. Hopefully it stays under. Looking for 821, 812 maybe. Come on, that was a harsh rejection off 53, so we should continue down. Hopefully. There we go. Push. Some volume kick in a little bit. Come on, we're going to break the bottom of this Wix at 30. Head to 21. Come on. Where are you in short from?
Say again?
Where are you short from? What price?
Sorry, I left my mic here.
Dang, this freaking 830.
Why trading you signed me out of my computer? I entered right at my fib actually, so like a little bit above 24, 865.
865. Oh, okay, gotcha.
Yeah. My fib was 862 and 75 cents, but I got in a little bit higher, like right over like a little pop.
Ah, good spot. Yeah, yeah. No, we just want to stay below this area here. What are you trading? Futures? Prop? Yeah.
Yeah, props. Yep.
What prop you trading under?
My funded.
Oh, okay, that's what I used to.
Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. They answer all my questions. It's really nice.
Yeah, I like the good prices, and then end the
Yeah,
day
that's it. They throw
drawdown, and
pretty
then
good promotions.
yeah. Plus, you don't need like a buffer. You can just have 5 days and then cash
Yep.
out. Let's see. Just freaking dump. I know you gotta freaking collect fucking liquidity here, but
Slow day at work today.
Still out here.
Nothing. It's 11:58. Shit. Oh, they put a fitting on the calendar. Nice. We got one. I got some work.
all right. Hard pressure down. Hopefully. Okay.
We're bouncing those wicks. These last two wicks on the 5 minute on NQ are prior nines. That's what we're bouncing off of. 24, 834 is a 9 from the past. That's why we keep bouncing off that level. I was wondering why we kept wicking off that shit so hard.
I don't want to hear that. You
I want this
fucker.
shit to break too. Trust me.
There's 830 level right there. It's 3 wicks already bouncing off of it, but hopefully that's just holding it up till they let it drop.
Right.
We don't want to break above 53 or back up. I don't like it. Oh boy.
What are you eating there? Fucking, you can't be eating that shit without sharing the shit.
You want some?
This is tough.
Hey.
Oh, I mean, come on. You're new here. I mean, you should have bought a fucking couple, man.
You always, you're the guy. No. 32 and a half. I've learned to be a little more humble now. My girlfriend saw the pants and she was like, damn, those are nice. I'm like, she's like, where'd you get them? I'm like, oh, these are custom. I'm like, oh, these are 101. Right, these are 101.
Let's see. Go Arlie Kanda.
Well,
In this area. Come on. Back. All right, let's see what's going on here. I don't know. There's higher highs. $36. Uh, $662. This. Oh, that's spy. Let's see. Uh, 21, 53, 35. No, wait, 45 maybe. That's 32, 16, 37. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Udsicle. This thing is so slow. All this divergence. I think going to pop up here. I don't know. All this buy divergence here kind of scaring me. I think might pop up reclaim and head back up here. I don't know if we swept enough into this freaking it's like a 15-minute. We swept enough into this levels. I don't know. As I say, I don't know if we buy here maybe. Unsigned liquidity here maybe. I don't know. No fair value gap yet. Hey. Maybe not. Hey. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see if we hold here. All right. I don't know. Watch these levels there. Can we buy here? It's not under here, I guess. Here you go, reversal. I have a feeling all this divergence on the bottom here. All this buy side divergence here. reject here. You may want to sweep this liquidity here. Equal highs, maybe. We didn't really sweep it, so. Freaking volume coming in on that candle there. I don't know. Chill sign. 1 minute. Go in there. Level 5. That's too small. Let's see. Go high. Let's see, might want to go down. Oh, shoot. Shouldn't break that breaker, I don't think. Took 400 back on that drop right there. Shot it going down, down, down. Yo.
Yo.
Yaga yo, yaga yo.
This shit is playing games.
Yeah, shit's playing games.
Freaking supporting here at 8:30, just fucking around. Heavy drop though. I think it goes down. Let's see if we can pull back to get back in here. See if we retest.
I still think it's bottom.
Huh?
I still think it's bottom.
Yeah, it keeps getting supported right here, but and we come right back up. We're just kind of freaking ranging right now.
It's also lunchtime too.
Yeah. I don't know. Got a lot of buy divergence here. Kind of just chopping in the range. Really. I guess we'll just see if we break below 21 or above, back above 53 and hold. Then look like we're gonna hold right here, and then we kind of got trapped and we came back down. So that one makes me think this might be like a short here. Now we, gonna hold that. Just put our stop here, 58, and maybe just let it go. I don't know. Jeez. I don't think we should break back above this 53. Actually, maybe we should put my stop a little bit lower, like 55-ish, a bit above 5, maybe 55. And I don't like it. Should enter more up here, but ooh, hey, let's see. Under. Now we should pull back down here, maybe. Get in here. So many times under. Oh, what is this forming? I don't even know. What is forming on a 5 minute? Nothing really. See, I'm like freaking equal lows, equal highs. What does it all mean? I don't know. Yeah, see now? No freaking. See, now we're back up. No freaking way. Let me get stopped out on that little play. What's on here? We back down a lot. We're gonna let's see. Lower high here. Lower low, lower high. Waiting for some kind of move, just not knowing what it is. Divergence here is like a buy side divergence, so create a gap down. I don't know, I should just wait till it moves. This 5 minute look like you're not doing nothing. Kinda let's freaking try one time to take a shot at it here. Boom. There stops right here, fucking at 60, I guess. You get stopped out right away, who knows? I think we were long by mistake, so never long by mistake, so we take a little bit. 30 already, this guy out. Alright, back to Tom now. All right, we're just messing around here. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see what happens there. Back, I'm gonna just call it a wrap here. Up 555 on one account. Didn't trade the other two. Down about 5 on our other account. We gotta actually clear that one by Friday, otherwise it resets, which we're not gonna reset it at the regular price. So we're gonna try and see if we can build that one out before the end of the week. As it gets closer to Friday, we might have to full port that one. So make it a wrap for there. See you guys once again tomorrow. Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, gonna sign on out for now. Reminding you, plan your trade your plan, stay green, you know what I mean? Go ape, that's analyze, plan, execute, ape apparel coming up soon, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Till then, you have a good one. Peace, love, aloha. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Mark easy on the wheels, DJ Daytrader check the fields. Market open, volume rising, beat drops when the suns arise. I read the crowd like I read these charts. Both got rhythm, both got hard cross faders, matching bid and ask. Making moves, that's all I ask. Futures dancing on the screen, cleanest mix you've ever seen. Tempo shifting with the flow when the numbers start to show. Feel that best line in your chest, that's the market at its best. Every trader needs to know how to ride this crazy show. Your way, that's how we